After reviewing the order and deciding to accept the design, simply choose the Accept and CAM Download button. The manufacturing files will be downloaded to the designated folder for all the downloads. The directory of it depends on the browser you use and should be set before uploading orders into Automate. How do you save downloaded files to the manufacturing directory of Dental System? The first way is to open Dental System Control Panel, and in the System Settings section, choose System Settings menu to search for the path for the manufacturing output directory is currently defined as. You can now copy the directory. Open the File Explorer folder and paste the path you just copied. Usually, when you hit the F7 command, the designed file goes straight to the manufacturing directory. To do it more manually, right-click the designed order and from the Advanced menu choose Explore CAM. The new folder with the file directory will open. Use the arrow to go up to the main folder. Having the path to the manufacturing directory copied, you can change the Downloads folder for the browser you use, so that the files will be automatically saved in it. To do so, go to the browser settings. In our example, we use the Chrome browser. From the right menu, choose Downloads and choose the Change button to see the new path. Paste the copied address and choose Select Folder. Now the downloaded files will be saved in that provided folder. Please bear in mind that changing the path for your browser means that from now on, all the files you're downloading from the Internet will be saved in the manufacturing directory folder.